CJ's also is providing relief to those in Jamaica. He's got stuff lined up in the back to be shipped to Jamaica as well. And he's serving the country of Jamaica. He's doing marvelous work down there in South Central Jamaica. I'm telling you, it's a beautiful thing, ladies and gentlemen. So, as you know, as you are aware, Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica, right? CJ's host Jerk Center is one of the stalwarts of these are homegrown Jamaican patriots who send things to Jamaica to help people. So we got to highlight him, and it's a new location. It's not yet completed, but we're here. It's open, and you'll hear from us about the launching of CJ's Jerk Center in Connecticut.